Nepal, a nation known for the highest peaks on Earth, but beneath those mountains, a different kind of ascent is underway. One measured not in altitude, but in discovery. Since 2007, the Center for Molecular Dynamics Nepal has been asking hard questions. How do viruses jump from animals to people? Where is antimicrobial resistance spreading? Which of our iconic species carry the genetics of survival? CMDN answers with data from the forests, the farms, and the front lines of infectious disease. When a clinician in Kathmandu needs to know not just if a patient has hepatitis C, but which strain and how it's responding to treatment, they turn to Intrepid Nepal. Since 2009, INPL has pioneered molecular diagnostics in this country. Home to Nepal's first next-generation sequencing platform, INPL is closing the gap between cutting-edge science and patient care. Newcastle disease kills up to a quarter of Nepal's chickens every year, wiping out the livelihoods of rural families and a vital source of nutrition. BioVac Nepal is developing vaccines designed specifically for Nepal's viral strains, tested under Nepal's conditions, and engineered to reach farmers without a cold chain. Not an imported solution, a Nepali one. Together, these three institutions represent a complete pipeline, from detecting a pathogen in the environment to diagnosing it in a patient to developing a vaccine that prevents it from spreading. During COVID-19, they worked side by side, sequencing the virus from Kathmandu's sewage before hospitals even knew the wave was coming. This is what's possible when Nepal invests in its own science. The science of the future doesn't only happen in Geneva or Boston or Brisbane. It happens here, in Kathmandu. Because Nepal is not waiting to be saved. Nepal is building the tools to save itself and to share those tools with the world.